Bonjour à vous. Hello everyone. 8th class students, I hope you all are fine. As you know, we have done the reading of the chapter number 1 and the question answers also. Hope you all have done in your books also. So today we will cover the topic on the page number 14 of your book. So I request to you all, please open your page number 14 and we will do the topic. This is the topic. The name of your topic is Les Nombres. The numbers. The name of your topic is the numbers. Now you are in 8th class and I hope you know the counting up to 100. But after 100, how we will speak in French today I will tell you. So 100 is how to speak 100 in French. 100 is so. As in Hindi, like we are speaking in Hindi, this is so. 101 we will speak like so un. As you know, one is un in French and so is 100. Like as 132 you will speak so 32. 32 you know, so 32. 180 we will speak so 80. So 80. Like as 200 we will speak like this the so. The so. Here you have to put s at the end of the so. Okay. And like as 201 you will speak like this the so the so 202 the so the 203 the so trois the so quatre the so cinq, like this. And 500 you will speak so cinq so cinq so cinq so. 900 you will speak neuf so neuf so. 999 you will speak like this 999 999 is 999. So after 999 there is 1000. How to speak 1000 in French is mille. 1000 is mille. We will not speak 1000, we just speak mille. Mille means 1000. 1001 is mille un. 1100 is mille cent, or you can say 1100. 1100 you can also speak like this. 1612 we will speak like this mille six mille six cent douze. Mille six cent douze. Mille means 1000, six cent means 600 and douze means 12. 1960 we will speak like this mille neuf cent soixante-dix-neuf cent soixante. Two ways you can speak 1960. First is 1916, that is mille neuf cent soixante, and the second way you can speak like this 1960. So 1900 is 1960 and 2000 you have to speak the meal, and 2001 is the meal 9000 neuf mille, and 1 lakh there is no other word in French. We just we just speak cent mille. Okay, now here are some rules are like there is no et after 100. As you know, uh, in counting 0 to 99 we add et in 21, 31, 41, etc. But after 100 we will not add et. No hyphen after 100. We will not put hyphen also. 200, 300 up to 900 takes s at the end. Okay, that's why we are putting s at the end. Okay, now if any word follow after 200, for example s is dropped to 201, means after 200 with 201 we will not use s. 1000 it is meal. 1550 mille cinq cent cinquante. There is no s for plural of thousands. For plural of hundreds we have to put s, but for plural of thousand there is no s. 1 lakh is told only in thousand, that is 100,000. So 100 is so and 1000 is meal. So student, on the basis of this concept, we will do the exercise number 3 on the page number 17 in your chapter number 1. So please open page number 17, exercise 3. So the heading of your exercise, écrivez le nombre en lettres, means write the numbers in letters. So first number is 108. So it is 108. So 100 is so and 8 is with. 300, 300. 573, 573. 880, with so, 80. 991, 991. 1021, 1000, 21. 4000, 4000. 6460, 6000, 460. 7686, 7686. 9889, 9000, with so, 89. 1 lakh, 100,000. Law 1947 means the year 1947 is 1947. Now M part 1792 we will speak like this in French. 1792. 1789 1789. 1982 1982. 2013 2013. Like as 2020 we will speak like this, like 2012. 2020. 2020 is 2020. So on the basis of this concept we can do the fourth exercise also. So open your page number 18 and here it is a fourth exercise. One example is here. So according to the example you have to do the other all the lines. For example, l'école 2-1. 2-1 means second date of first month. So the answer of this, l'école commence le 2 de janvier. So for this exercise you should know the months of the year. So please revise the months of the year also. Okay, so this is very easy exercise. You just do one thing. You have to add this word commence. Commence means start, and before the date we have to put le. Okay, le. So put only le and commence le. After then write the date. Okay, so for you I have done this exercise. So this is page number 18. Page number 18. Okay, so first is you just do one thing, add commence le and 2 and 6 given. For 2 add, just put 2, and 6 is 6th month. 6th month in June, and in French we write June like this, Jean. Okay, so this is very easy exercise. You just do one thing, write commence and le, because before the date we have to put le in French. Okay, and then put the date and the month name, avril. Okay, so take a screenshot of it and do the exercise number 4 in your book. So students, for today you have to do 2 exercises. Exercises 3 on page number 17 and exercise 4 on page number 18. Okay students, do this exercise in your book only. Au revoir student, bye bye, abhiyanto, see you soon.